Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and then just switch to the slow motion mode. So now let's record something in slow-mo. Now I'm going to roll this toilet paper, but in slow-mo, so it will look insanely cool. So let's get it. So now let's check it out. So as you can see now it rolls like extremely slow, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. Just look at it. Like insanely cool. Unbelievable. Breakdance toilet paper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.